Welcome. So this is the next generation of IDAS radios. Starting from the right then, we have the F5400D, the F3400D, the F3400DS, and the F3400DT. For the handhelds then, there is some noticeable differences. So we have without a screen, the simple keypad, and the full 10-key keypad. All the radios have the same features, and they are very feature rich. So they all have inbuilt GPS, Bluetooth, recording via an SD card, and over-the-air programming. It is worth noting that with the mobile radios, you will need an external GPS antenna, but the GPS receiver is inbuilt into the radio. As you can see, the two radios on the right with a screen are fully menu driven with a full colour graphical menu. Going through the menu then, we've got our channel and scan options, our signalling options, which includes individual calls, call alerts and text messaging. We've got our trunking options, our functions, our GPS options where we can turn GPS on or off, our voice recording, so this allows us to start or stop recording to the SD card, and it also allows us to play back the transmissions. There is a separate category for emergency transmissions that makes it audit to log any emergency that might occur. We have audio settings, which includes receive volume and the keypad volume. We have our SD card options, which allows us to mount or unmount an SD card or even format it from the handset. In the Bluetooth settings then, we can pair or unpair to a device or headset. These radios will come with full Bluetooth Peltor support. The radio has an internal clock that's calibrated via GPS. The radio has a strong vibration unit that is located at the back of the radio under the belt clip. This allows you to feel if any vibrations are made by the radio while you're wearing it on a belt. You also have your sensor options. So you can set the motionary or stationary detector. You can also set down man down angles and periods of inactivity. In the display options, you can change the colour of the display. You can also set a nighttime mode that can either be set manually or can be done by the internal clock at a given time. We have utility options, which is the more common radio settings, such as the squelch setting or the system bleep levels. The last menu item is information. In here you can display things such as the firmware version, the RSSI, or the battery information. You can move these menu items around or completely remove them as per your needs. So all of these new radios can support up to a 32GB SD card. That will give you around 500 hours of voice recording. This can be accessed from a side panel on the side of the radio. You open it up, press down on the SD card and it will pop out. To put an SD card in, it's the exact reverse. So in the hole, slight pressure down and close the hatch. The mobile versions of this radio do also support SD card recording. However, you do need to take the front panel off to get to the SD card slot. Aside from the user upgrade, there is some internal upgrades to the radios. This includes improvements to the active noise cancelling, the ability to change equalisations to give clearer voice clarity, and improvements to the power consumption, which improves battery life. As with all of the IDAS radios, it's out of the box RMS compliant. With the built-in GPS, you will also get your external mapping straight out of the box. The mobile versions of the radio, the F5400 and the F5400DP, allow remote head configuration of the radios and a command mic option. The radios have some license key upgrades available. This includes the trunking updates for IDAS radios. Both the handhelds and mobiles have a comprehensive range of accessories, including Bluetooth accessories. For more information, visit idasuk.co.uk.